Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Ford vehicle guys and your horn guys does not work, stay with us guys. We'll explain what are the top 3 reasons guys, maybe 4 top 4 reasons for your horn on the steering wheel not to work guys. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you'll find the information helpful. So we have a 2012 Ford Focus guys, the horn doesn't work, and we'll show you what is the most common reason for that, and if that doesn't fix your problem, make sure guys you stay until the end because there are 3 more reasons that we're going to share. Now I'll go inside and I want to show you guys okay how the horn does not work. Okay, it should work I think even without turning the ignition on, but what I'll do just in case guys, I will turn it on. Okay, and nothing. So what could cause that now guys? Okay, first it could be a bad fuse, it could be a bad relay, it could be guys a bad horn switch. Okay, it could be a bad, okay, it's called a cork spring. This is the piece of electronics guys that sends signal from all the wiring harness on the steering wheel to the steering column, and it turns left and right because when you turn the steering wheel, okay, that turns as well. And if that doesn't fix the problem, it's a bad horn guys. So actually 5 reasons I can think of, 5 reasons that can cause guys your horn not to work. Now in our case guys, we'll see if the most common one, a fuse, will fix our problem. We'll show you usually where it's located on your Ford vehicle, and hopefully it will take care of it. So when you open the hood of your Ford vehicle, right here it's where your you can see where your fuse box is located, usually next to the car battery. In our case the fuse for the horn is this fuse right here. We'll go ahead, okay, this one is burned, I'll replace it with a new one. Okay, and we'll see okay if that takes care of the problem. Now if you need to buy any fuses guys, okay, you can find the links in the description of the video below. Unbelievable deal guys for all these fuses. So if that doesn't fix the problem guys, if that fuse doesn't fix the problem, you need to test your horn. We have the video on the channel how to test horn. It's super simple. All you need is a 12-volt battery. You'll be able to test it. If horn is good, fuse is good, check relay. You may have a relay. If relay is good guys, okay, you need to check your switch and your cork spring, and you can do that with the use of MaxiCom scanner guys, MaxiCs. We have the link in the description of the video below if you need to check it out. So I shouldn't, I think, even turn the ignition on. Let's see, if not we'll turn it on, hopefully. So as you can see guys, that definitely takes care of the problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.